From the streets of Naija to the heart of the nation. Now here we dey break the gist. News where everybody understand.
Nigeria hot pass firewood today. If you blink, you miss am. Know the small thing? From Asa Rock reach football pitch, from market reach social media, everywhere don burst. Tinubu still dey push Nigeria global level after UK visit, while new alliance in Saudi don dey enter. Big moves dey happen. But for inside country, just killings don't shape everywhere. Government don vow say justice must land. And that Maiduguri blast will kill over 20 people. Still they tame Nigerians. Families they cry, country they mourn. Senate then approve massive 68.3 trillion budget for 2026. Nigerians they look say this money go reach us so. And political tension they rise. Kwankwaso movement and opposition reshuffle on the shake power balance. Football don't scatter. Alex Iwobi collect red card after WWE style fight for Super Eagles match. Fans no sit stop to laugh. Online don't fool with memes. Nigerians turn referee overnight. Anta no get respect. Entertainment no the door. Celebrities they trend every hour. Relationship gists and cruise they fly like mosquito. Afrobeat still they carry crown. New songs they dominated TikTok. Everybody don't turn dancer overnight. Entertainment they mad. Cubana chief priest don't react to just killing. Celebrities they talk. Internet they boil. Money side, foreign investors don't rush Nigeria. Capital inflow jump over 90%. Big money they enter. But for market, no funny. Food price they rise like rocket. Tomato don't turn VIP. Nigeria they push tech deals with Saudi. Digital future they knock door. Lifestyle now, survival mode. Everybody they hustle. Social media they drag everything. No dull moments. Now Pidgin Vibes News. Drop your own take. Because as Ebi now, everywhere knows stew.